While the world is busy in watching OnePlus 10T, we have the OnePlus Nord Buds CE in the house. Let's quickly unbox it up. Inside the box, we get to see the Buds itself. Below that, we get the user manual, Nord emoji sticker, red cable club card, and the charging cable. Thanks OnePlus for adding this inside the box. Now I'll use this charging cable to charge my phone as my phone's charging cable is about to cut. The case comes oval in shape and it has LED light and the OnePlus branding at the front and Type-C port at the bottom. The hinge looks a little bit weak and this can be a concern. Inside the case we get to see two earbuds. Of course. These half-in-ear buds weigh around 3.5 grams each, looks similar to AirPods 2nd generation. But this glossy finish not just looks beautiful but also attracts more dust. Don't worry, we got IPX4 rating on this product, which means it should handle water splashes and is dust resistant. Now let's talk about the sound. The OnePlus Nord Buds CE comes with 13.4mm dynamic drivers, supports AAC codec. That means it supports high quality audio playback. If you have a OnePlus device, then inside the Bluetooth settings, you get to see different sound profiles which you can choose depending on your mood, like bass, gentle, serenade, and balanced. In case if you don't have any OnePlus device, then you can download Hey Melody application from Google Play Store. For the iOS version, Hey Melody app doesn't support OnePlus Nord Buds CE. So thumbs down for the iOS users. These birds impressed me not just by its bass but also by catching the vocals clearly. Overall, in terms of sound, OnePlus has really pulled it off. There is no noise cancellation with these birds, not even environmental. Before you guys tell me about AI noise cancellation, let me tell you guys that it's calls noise cancellation. So whenever you answer the call, the other person in the call won't get to hear your background noise. And this only works while you are on call and not even on in normal recording. So this might be thumbs down if you wanted to have any kind of noise cancellation.
This is the audio quality check of a OnePlus Nord Bud CE. This is being recorded while I'm in call.
This is the audio quality check of OnePlus Nord Buds CE, and this is being recorded from normal phone recorder. There is no exact information about the number of mics inside the OnePlus website and in the Flipkart. So I hope each birds have at least one mic. We have two mics in total, because if there are four mics in total, then simply OnePlus could have mentioned it in their website. You don't get to see a Dolby Atmos support with these birds. Again, this is totally a gimmick. These birds doesn't have wear detection, which means music playback won't pause when you take out the buds from your ears. So you'll get the touch area on the top of the buds to play and pause the music, and it will give a sound effect so that you'll get to know whether you have touched it or not. And you can also customize the double and triple tap inside the Hey Melody app. And to reset the connection, you need to hold the touchpads of the birds for 15 seconds. These birds come with latest Bluetooth version 5.2 support and have a range of 10 meters. Talking about the battery, earbuds come with 27 mAh each and 300 mAh in the case. OnePlus claims that it gives 4.5 hours of music playback and 20 hours of music playback including the case, and 81 minutes of music playback when you charge for just 10 minutes. Again, all these tests are done inside their lab, actual stats may vary. I'll be sharing the exact battery stats in our Telegram community group, so don't forget to join there. Link is given in the description box below. It comes with 94 ms ultra low latency mode. They call it as gaming mode. Even earphones these days started getting gaming mode. These half-in-ear design feels light and comfortable in ears, because in-ear design is pain in ears. Even though we don't have silicone tips, the fit is good, they don't fall out of ears easily. You can use these birds while running, gymming, and even for gaming, no major difference sound lag while gaming. These birds are available in two colors, one is grey and another is this one white. Currently the price is 2300, and if you guys can wait for any upcoming sales, then it would cost you around 2000 to 2100 only. As you can see, OnePlus Nord Buds price has been dropped down since last 15 days. Also, we get to see Red Cable Club Day offers on 17th of every month. So you can get a discount voucher of this product there. So don't simply rush and buy it, just wait for a few weeks and see the customer reviews, because I had to replace my friend's OnePlus neckband 3 times within just 8 months. So we can't really trust OnePlus as an audio brand.